Hey everybody, welcome to Mailbag Monday episode 4. Today we're going to open up some fan mail. I'm Glenn.
And I'm Xander.
And together we're Fun King 3D. Alright, so last week we didn't have a Mailbag Monday because of the holidays and, and honestly there was a little bit of a lack of mail. So this box was supposed to be here by then, it hadn't yet quite arrived. This was here. I've already opened this, but we're going to open it and talk about it anyway. This guy arrived yesterday along with one that I have down on the floor, which is kind of a special one. So, I mean, they're all special. But that one we're going to handle a little bit differently. So, all right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so first I want to talk about this one. I'm going to slide this so you can still see Xander's beautiful face. All right, so this was a lovely Christmas card sent to us by Paul Cumber out of Wisconsin, I think it was. And I did open it before Christmas because I had a good feeling that it was a Christmas card. Plus, for some reason, the post office felt that it would be best if they opened it and processed it. It came with the flap already flapping, so I went ahead and opened it up. And Paul was kind enough to handwrite us a beautiful note inside. And I'm not going to go through and read it, but Paul, thank you so much for this. It meant the world to me. It was actually the only Christmas card that Fun King received, and it was put on display with my Christmas cards from the family. So thank you so much, Paul. All right, next we're gonna open this guy. This is from a Skewed 3D, which I didn't realize that you were in Florida as well. There's quite a few Floridians that we're coming across. At some point, we might have to do like a
meetup.
Like a meetup, yeah.
Like
a Gainesville Maker Fair. Which we will be at. We will be at Gainesville Maker Fair on February 24th. We will actually be exhibiting.
Yeah.
Wow.
We shall be the exhibit of the museum.
A lot of tape on this one.
He needed to use the tape, like he had an endless supply of tape.
Endless supply. Now I have no idea what's in here. I knew it was coming, but was not.
He's pulling the Thomas on us.
Was not told what was in here.
Oh, note.
Yeah, a note was something. I can feel there's something in it.
Oh.
I would say that it would be his maker coin. Hi, Glenn, Xander, and Zach. Unfortunately, Zach's not here for Mailbag Mondays. Just the unboxing of the maker box. My cat is quite intrigued with that packaging. We are enjoying your channel. Also, you subbed to ours. Thank you. We got a lot of vids, but all are short and sweet, mostly under 2 minutes. That's okay. That's actually they say that's about the attention span on YouTube, and we're working to get closer to that with some of our videos. Enclosed is our finished maker coin and card. Also added 2 of our models based on Final Fantasy video games for Xander and Zach. Buster Sword from Final Fantasy 7, and I don't know if that says Gunblade or Bunblade. I think that's Gunblade from Final Fantasy 3. Oh no, 8. Final Fantasy 8. Sorry, I'm not quick with the Roman numerals.
They made a lot of Final Fantasy.
They did, at least 8 of them.
Yeah.
They actually fit in 3 3/4 inch plus 12-inch GI Joe and other action figures hands. Oh, Zach will love that. He's got some big like Iron Mans and all of that stuff. All right, cat. Sorry, she was crinkling the plastic. We've printed several sizes and eventually we'll do a prop size. Sorry so sloppy, my writing's been horrible since had 3 surgeries on my arm and Oh, a decade ago. Hey, never apologize for bad handwriting. First of all, nobody hand writes anything anymore. Everything is typed.
I have terrible handwriting.
Yeah, and if I'm not if I'm not absolutely patient and slow, my handwriting is terrible as well. So no worries there. It's actually painful. Well, I'm really sorry to hear that, and I hope that the future actually does better for you and you can recover from that. Hope you have a great day and a wonderful 2018 for you and your family. We look forward to see what you got coming out this year. God bless. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I really appreciate it. 2018 is going to be good for us. We got the new studio space. Yay. Which may be our final studio space. It may not be. We're not sure yet. It's just going to depend on how it works out. So you can go ahead and dig that out of there, and I'll.
Very interesting.
Well, what's very interesting is all the blue tape. Blue painter's tape is not cheap. That's.
Oh, it really isn't.
Gotta get this out. Oh. Wow. All right, we gotta.
I think I know which one that is. The gun blade.
Probably, yeah.
Yeah. It's a,
yeah. Ooh. Color's terrible on that. Let me get. All right, so yeah, this is definitely the gun blade. That is that's awesome. I need to adjust the focus just a little bit better.
Can I open this one?
There we go. Yeah, that is cool. That is cool. Yeah, go ahead. Just be very careful.
Oh, that one looks like, yeah, I'll be careful.
The maker coin and business card.
That is awesome.
Oh, that's pretty neat.
Maker coin? No, that
it would definitely be a maker coin, yeah.
Yeah.
That would be the business card, and that would be the maker coin. That's a cool maker coin because of the way it's. Let's get over to the detail. I'm assuming that prints flat down like this. So that's some pretty good bridging if that's the case.
People make some crazy maker coins.
Yeah, I mean it's possible that it printed upright. You'll have to let us know the orientation that printed in, but that's very cool. To have. Oh, that is sweet. Woo! Check that out.
Wow.
That is too cool. Very nice work. Very nice work. I'm curious too if you'll let us know like what paints and stuff that you used to finish these. They went on there very nice. I've only done a little bit of finishing work and the Lego head, and it bled into them real bad and wicked it up and capillary effect.
USS Rover.
All right, let's get a little bit out of the way. All right, so Xander has been chomping at the bit for this, but we're gonna wait just a second because what's most important right now is thank you so much for sending that to us.
Those are some really cool
These
models.
are very cool. Zach is gonna go crazy for them as well.
I'm curious. Does the gun blade shoot the blade, or does it shoot and?
I do not know. I haven't played Final Fantasy since it was probably Final Fantasy 1. So you research that and find out. So
okay.
Thank you so much for that. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and move on to this next box, which Xander has known it was coming, has no idea what's in it. I did tell him it was for him. I know what's in it. So he's been just chomping at the bit to open this up.
Yeah, I've seen USS Rover saying stuff like, "Did you get the package and the live streams and stuff?" And like,
so yeah, this is from USS Rover, and if any of you guys hang out in any of the 3D printing live streams, I'm sure that you've seen Rover in there. He does an amazing thing where he will find any and every 3D printing related giveaway, and he shares that information out so that he's not hoarding the giveaways. He wants to share. He wants everybody to get in on them and stuff. So any of them that have referral links, I try to share his referral link as often as I possibly can because of you know what he's been doing, and I just want you to know I'm delaying right now because this is driving Xander crazy. All right, you can go ahead. You can go ahead and open that up.
Ooh.
All right, I'll take this part.
Ooh.
All right, get it out of there. Don't just stare at it in the bottom. People can't see what it is.
Oh, and you're the one complaining that I needed to build a drone.
All right, so
oh my gosh.
Rover has sent Xander a drone. I gotta shield this because it has his address on it. Ooh, nice thick paper. Woo! That's some good paper right there. Enclosed is a Sigma X52C Sky Eye. Waiting for giveaways to complete. I did not win any, oh well. During the chat where Xander lost the build/buy quadcopter. Sorry, Xander. That's what it says. Sorry, Xander. You still have to make one, 3D printed. During the vote, I told you if I won 2, you would get one. One thing I suggest you 3D print is a new blade cage. Complete cover to save blades. I also noted the battery holder very tight, so build an undercarriage for the battery. It will take some time to learn to control this unit. It comes with a micro SD card for pictures and video. It records audio as well. Cool.
Ooh.
That is a cute little guy.
Yeah, it's small and it's cool.
A USB micro SD card reader, USB battery charger, 4 replacement blades, small Phillips screwdriver. The control requires 4 AA batteries. The manual, very small print. I downloaded the 11-page manual for it. So what do you say?
Thank you.
That's it. That's all. It's just thank you. It's not like holy crap, this is awesome. I can't believe that you.
You say I'm not allowed to say holy crap.
All right, well, crud then.
Holy crud! This is the best thing in the world.
Rover, that was so awesome for you, for you to do that. And like I said, it was really not necessary. It was above and beyond, and I thank you. I always appreciate when people do things for me, but I really, really appreciate when people do things for my kids.
Oh, I'm special. So, it says 12, ages 12 and higher. I'm
you can't play with that. I guess that's for me then. All right, so we do have one more. We do have one more, and we're not actually going to unbox it. We're just going to talk about it because it is going to be an up and coming. You know what? Maybe we should do this. I'm going to count to 3 and stop my fingers, and it's going to appear right here. Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. And there it is. All right. I don't know if that worked, but oh well. All right, so this great big box, and again, we're not going to open it. I already know what's inside of it. This is a ANET E10. And before most of you go, oh my God, another printer. Yeah, there's not really any room for it anymore. But this is from Chris Riley of Chris's Basement. And Chris reached out to me and told me that he had an extra E10 and wanted to send it to us so that we could unbox it, assemble it, and compare it to the E12. And at first I was actually going to refuse it. I was going to turn him down, and just because, well, frankly, because we don't need it, and we don't really have the room for it.
Oh, we really don't.
But I slept on it, and I didn't want to be rude and refuse it.
You slept on the printer?
No, not on the printer, on the thought of the printer. Okay. And I realized that this is an awesome opportunity because what we have decided to do, and I reached back out to Chris and told him what I wanted to do was we will unbox this, we will build this, and we will fix this because this printer has issues known right out of the box. But we are not talking back and forth with Chris because he does have one and he uses one. We are going to run through this as though we know nobody else with one of these, fix the issues however we want to, and then we're going to compare notes with Chris to see what he's done with his, and we're going to make sure that this printer in the end is a 100% perfectly running printer, and then we're going to throw it away. Just ball it up and put it in the garbage. Is that a good idea? No. So instead, we're going to give it away. The details will come later for that. I don't think it's going to be just a regular Gleam giveaway. I think we're going to make people work for it a little bit. But it's going to be a collaboration between us and Chris Riley's Chris's Basement channel to find this guy a new home, but not until it's 100% running correctly and is a good solid printer. So stay tuned to us for that information. And you can follow along the unboxing and the upgrades.
Is Chris gonna give away his too?
No, just this one.
Oh, okay.
Good question, but no, Chris. I'm pretty sure Chris wants to keep his. Yeah. Technically, this was Chris's. It's just on loan to us until it goes to the new owner. So I thought that was a perfect opportunity.
What if Chris wins it?
Well, then he gets to have it back, all fixed up and nice.
Oh.
There'd be no reason that he wouldn't be eligible. So, but stay tuned for the details on that. So, I mean, if you are looking to get your first printer, or if you're looking to get another printer or whatever, this guy is going to be an excellent option because we've gone through it and made sure that it's right. So, it will be used at that point.
Will be used.
Yeah, because we are going to run some filament through this to make sure that it's right. So. But that will be up and coming. I know this wasn't a very exciting box. I could have had a picture of it on the box or something to show you guys. But huge thanks to Chris Riley at Chris's Basement for that. And links to everybody that has links will be down in the description as usual.
Everyone that has links will be in what?
Well, like Paul Cumber doesn't... I mean, if he has a YouTube channel, I don't know about it, so I can't link to it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so if you have a link, it'll be in the description. So that's it for today. Thank you again to everybody that sends us fan mail. We love it. You know, if you guys want to send us fan mail, it doesn't always have to be amazing gifts and cool prints. If you want to just send us a letter, that's cool too.
It could be like something fun, like those dreadlocks.
Those dreadlocks were fun, yes. If you'd like to get a Fun King 3D sticker, you can go ahead and mail us a self-addressed stamped envelope. Our P.O. Box address is down in the description, and we will get you back one of those stickers. And if you're in the Florida area, anywhere near Gainesville, Florida, February 24th is the Gainesville Maker Faire, and we will be there exhibiting with Ron from the Happy Extruder.
Ron's going to be there?
Ron's going to be there. Any of the other 3D printing... not even necessarily YouTube channel people, if you're just a 3D printer person and you want to come and hang out with us at the exhibit, that would be fine too. All of our contact information is in the description. And I think that's it for today.
Oh.
Yeah, it's sad, but you know,
yeah.
To another episode.
It's cool.
Thank you from us here at Fun King 3D. Thank you guys for all these wonderful gifts. We love them. They're going to go up onto the shelves of fame. And we'll see you soon. As always, print on. These are just too cool. I mean, there's no support marks or anything. I mean, I wonder what orientation those were printed in. And I mean, the detail, there's such...
Yeah.
I mean, like the trigger even.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, that had to have had support in it or something. Just amazing.